say good morning. Can you say good morning? He's out of the con. He's free. He's a happy dog. And today is Friday. And I'm ready to begin and do some cleaning. It is 11 and I will do reverse cleaning because I'm being really bad. I have not done a lot of cleaning. I've been doing other stuff. So I will do what we can call reverse cleaning. I will go from like the basic cleaning part that will help me also to get some of the other ones that I didn't complete. So the first one will be change sheets and make bed. Let's do that. Time for do the bed. Oh, they were just doing homecoming there. Look at that. Look at that. I know you have fun there. I know it was cool. I know you too. You really enjoy. I know so many kids, right? Okay, let's go to keep a little stop to go and watch the parade. I got the bed done, and I also changed the sheets, and I got an extra blanket. Yeah, a white fluffy extra blanket. Next step is clean the bathroom, the toilet, and take all that needs to go in the laundry. And bathroom and toilet done. Next, the laundry that was from Monday. A lot of things were just for fold, and I have 4 items. I will wait until I have the next one to iron. So that put me, Monday was done. It's there, and I'm working on the one from Tuesday. Let's do the wipe down appliances because I already did in the basement with my laundry machines. So let's do the kitchen one. Usually they are pretty good. It has only a few smash there. This one also some drops, but this one is a no. I need to clean really good. Look at that mess. Hello, my husband cooking, but oh my gosh. Okay, let's take care of this. And now is a clean stove. Good. Now it's shiny. This is shiny too. Everything, but not the floor. I think we should do the sweep and mop. What do you say? Yes? Okay. Okay, I have almost ready everything. I need one more load, and I will not have time for this. I have my game parade at 5. Is 15, almost 20 minutes for 4. Let me go to do some sweeping in the garden and in the backyard. In the morning, I'm getting ready for work, but at the same time I'm going to finish the last part of my laundry. So let me get this done. Okay, I have put off the dog. Perfect. Let's go. I still have time before I go because I work at 5:15. So what I can do is take care of these, iron, and put away things while I'm watching videos. This little critter hates me when I iron, so he will run away. Everything iron. This is things that I have to put away in my bedroom, but my husband is sleeping, so we will not wake up him. Things to put away from my decoration. Oh, and I have the aquarium. I need to do the cleaning of the aquarium. And here I have all my projects. So what happened with this dress? It was going to be for the wedding anniversary dress, and then I read that you need a little of a stretch on the fabric, so I cannot do it in my fabric. But I'm thinking, well, if I do a little bigger, maybe I can wear and do it in that way. So I have this very cheap jersey fabric, and I'm planning to do like a mock of the dress, see how it goes, and see if I fit without having to stretch it anyway. And it's a very cheap fabric, so, and I don't know how many yards. I have a lot, so we will see how it looks. It will look really weird because it's so thin fabric, but it's okay. And I'm almost ready to go. I will get my book and get this party going. I have to be leaving at work 15 minutes to 5. That's the perfect timing. I know. You cannot see that. No barking. No. Coming back from work and I'm trying to watch the eclipse. I have these. That is the protection for solar eclipses for my telescope, but I don't have time to put my telescope out, so I know it's really hard to see on this, but it looks so clear when I just look.